What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. As the title states, I need to do a reset in my kitchen. Over the last few days, everything has accumulated, so I need to go through everything. I even have this cute little nail cutter set. It's from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. I noticed that I ran out of my household cleaner, so I need to go grab the new bottle, which I think this new branding is beautiful. Check it out. So the Thieves household cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner, so you only need about 1 cap, 2 cap the most in your spray bottle. Yes, I am using my teeth here to open it. Don't judge me. So I love using this for everything. If it has a surface, I'm gonna use the Thieves household cleaner. Sorry about this angle, but I wanted to show you guys that the Thieves household cleaner is for everything. For glass, for mirrors, it does not leave any streaks. If you guys haven't noticed already, I love all Thieves cleaning products from Young Living. I will leave a link down below on what I'm using, but their cleaning line does not use any chemicals, no synthetics. It's infused with essential oils, all natural ingredients. I love the Thieves cleaning line. Does anyone else have a love-hate relationship when washing dishes? I don't know why, I just procrastinate doing it, but I'd rather wash by hand than use the dishwasher. I don't know, it's just a weird thing, but yeah, once I get to it, it's like therapy, but it takes me forever to get to it. Anyone else like that? Yes, I am using another Thieves cleaning product. This is the kitchen and bath scrub. When I say I have an obsession, I mean I have an obsession. I've used this for stains, grime, gunk, any leftover residue. As you can see here, it's scrubbing the sink beautifully. And in a little bit, I'm gonna share with you guys pairing the Thieves household cleaner on my stove. Oh my gosh, just stay tuned. I like to take my Thieves household cleaner, spray it on the stove first, leave it for about a minute, let everything soften up, then take the kitchen and bath scrub, sprinkle it all over. Now it is not coarse, it's actually very fine, so it will not scratch your stove. Make sure that you guys are using a soft sponge, nothing bristly or harsh. Again, you don't want to scratch your surface, you just want to make sure you scrub off all that gunk. Alright, I feel like I can breathe again. Dishes are washed, counters are cleaned. I hope that you guys enjoyed this kitchen reset. It was much needed. If you guys haven't done already, please go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share these videos. But till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time.